And I was engrossed and deeply born into a life where I can be more connected to God through life of prayer, and especially silence, and in the silence to communicate much more to the divine. And from contemplation, I have seen the works of the Carmelites. They go to the barrios, they go to every area, and they are organizing people, they are teaching the people. And since they are still new to the area and they cannot speak the language of the people, so I help them even in bringing their message to the people.
The fact that Paul was the first Carmelite Filipino for the Dutch it was a sign